Hi everybody, it's me Shirley again. It's been a while since I've done a video, but today we're going to make this little stationery set using Stampin' Up's note cards, some Hershey Kisses, an RSVP pen, and I've stamped the envelopes and you can see those little candies all the way around. And what we're using, we're recycling these little coffee containers, pretty inexpensive. And how I decided on what I wanted to do was I saw these cards by Jackie from Clump & Stampers, and I thought they were really cute, but the cardstock I'm using is the Sweet Soiree, and if you can kind of see, it has a lot of silver in it. And since I used one of each of those, I decided I wanted some silver on the cards to kind of make them pop. And this is a little bit different. I put mine all to the right instead of the left, of course. But so what I did was I just figured out what kind of cards I wanted, an assortment for you, a marriage one, which could be anniversary also, a thoughts and prayers, a get well type card, and then a friendship or even a birthday card. And I've put stamps on all of them so that they're ready to go. And then the set came, the Stampin' Up suite had their own shreds. So I'm just going to use these to put into here. And it's pretty simple. The RSVP pens, you just open them up. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just put this on and then they go back in. And that's all there is. You just put them back in together. And wrapping the Hershey Kisses, it's a 1" by 3" wrap. And then for this, I just measured it with a ruler for the width. It's about 2.5 inches. And I'm using heavy duty tape because this is pretty heavy cardstock. I wouldn't suggest using this. It doesn't really hold very well. So maybe a lighter weight. And all you need to do is just pull these off. Oops, I should have done that first. And just start in the middle. Get that near the top. And press that down. And then I'm holding it really tightly. I'm really holding it snugly, because it just barely fits your 12 inches across. And that's it. That's really all there is to it. The note cards are a perfect fit. I saw this on a video years ago, probably 5 years or more. And then you just put this in. And I went to Dollar General up the street from me, and they had these perfect size bags, just what you need. And these just slide in. That's just how easy all these are. Just slides right down. And whoops, well, when you're taping, it never goes easy, does it? And then these, you're going to set them in. I might have a little too much puffy stuff in there. And your pen, and maybe a couple of, some of the different colored ones in the front. And how about a few in the back? And this would be a perfect time to add a gift card or maybe even a strip of stamps if you didn't put postage stamps on these. And then you'll just use some ribbon to tie it up. And the cards, the way I did them, I don't know if this is pretty self-explanatory, I guess. Cut out the cardstock. I'll do it this way. And this is the note card. We'll set that aside. And I just did what I call kind of a cheater bow. It goes around like this. The tape's already on. You're going to set it in here like so. And this already has it on like this. Just over a little bit onto that white. And this little extra strip just slides underneath. Oops, slide underneath. Goodness, okay. And you do the knot. And then you just trim off the edges and your card's done. And just as your stamps, or if you wanted to go a further mile and decorate or add to the edge, you can. And then you're done. So again, I thank Jackie from Clump & Stampers for the original idea, and Angie at Chicken Scratch. She explains about the RSVP pens, these pens that you can check on a video she did in 2009. So I finally got around to them, and this is what they end up looking like. Really nice little quick gift. So thank you for stopping by and enjoying the video.